We are witnessing the most aggressive move in the history of Apple. For years, the Mac was a luxury, a status symbol that started at $1,000. But on March 4, 2026, everything changed. Apple did the unthinkable. They released a $599 MacBook. They called it the MacBook Neo. And while the tech world is still reeling from a Mac that costs less than an iPhone, the secret labs in Cupertino are already working on the kill shot. The leaks for the MacBook Neo 2 have started to pour in, and they aren't just about a faster chip. We are talking about the A19 Pro transition, the rumored touch panel controversy, and a design that is specifically engineered to wipe Chromebooks and budget Windows laptops off the map forever. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you think the current Neo is a bargain, you haven't seen anything yet. Today, we are going deep into the supply chain. We are uncovering the Model A3404 secrets, the performance benchmarks that shouldn't be possible, and the real reason why Apple is finally willing to play dirty in the budget market. If you're a student, a parent, or just someone tired of slow, plastic laptops, you cannot afford to miss this. This is the future of the entry-level Mac. This is the MacBook Neo 2. Before we talk about the Neo 2, we have to address the shock of the first Neo. In early 2026, Apple broke its own rules. They took the A18 Pro chip, the brain of the iPhone 16 Pro, and put it inside a 13-inch aluminum laptop. No M-series chip. No Pro price tag. Just a raw, efficient, $599 machine that delivers better single-core performance than most Intel Core Ultra 5 PCs. In the US, where the back-to-school market is worth billions, this was a nuclear bomb. The Neo proved that Apple doesn't need to make cheap products, they just need to make efficient ones. But the Neo was just the pilot program. The Neo 2 is the full series. The heart of the MacBook Neo 2 will be the A19 Pro. While the current Neo uses the 3nm A18 Pro, the Neo 2 is slated to coincide with the iPhone 17 Pro's release cycle. This means we are looking at the jump to TSMC's 2nm process. For a fanless laptop, 2 nanometers is the holy grail. It means the Neo 2 can run 20% faster while generating almost zero heat. In our testing of the current Neo, we saw zero throttling during 4K video playback. With the A19 Pro, the Neo 2 will likely outperform the original M1 and M2 MacBook Airs in daily tasks like web browsing and document editing. For the average American user who just wants a fast, reliable computer that doesn't get hot on their lap, the Neo 2 is becoming an impossible-to-ignore proposition. One of the most striking things about the 2026 MacBook Neo was the lack of a notch. Apple went with a more traditional, uniform bezel design similar to an iPad. For the Neo 2, the leaks suggest Apple is staying with this classic look. We are expecting a 13.1-inch liquid retina display with 500 nits of brightness. But there is a massive rumor floating around from analysts like Ming-Chi Kuo, the touch panel. For years, Apple said no to touchscreens on Macs. But with the Neo 2 being aimed squarely at the education market, where Chromebooks with touchscreens dominate, Apple is reportedly testing a Neo Touch prototype. If the Neo 2 ships with a touch-sensitive layer, it won't just be a laptop,